In short-term rentals, control is the real competitive advantage. Control over your bookings, control over your guest experience, control over how your business grows in 2026. Lodgify gives rental operators the tools to build direct booking websites, automate guest communication, and manage every channel from one platform without adding complexity. This is how rentals stop feeling reactive and start feeling more intentional. Skip Daily Briefing listeners get 20% off any yearly or bi-yearly Lodgify plans with code SDB20, available through March 2026. Details are in the show notes.
Travel is having a more for less moment, and the industry is scrambling to keep the promise. Welcome back to the Skiff Daily Briefing. It's Thursday, February 5th. I'm Sarah Dandashi. Let's get into it. First up, hotel giants have a middle class problem, and it's not exactly subtle. Skiff's Sean O'Neill reports that the big brands are facing a quality crunch in the economy and mid-scale tier. Those $90 to $150 a night road trip with the family staples? Yeah, those. Owners have been squeezed by inflation, higher interest rates, and lingering pandemic era debt. So renovations get deferred, and the guest experience starts to feel like, wait, this is what I'm paying for? So, what's the fix? Well, according to the hotel groups, it's basically a three-part playbook. One, make renovations cheaper and faster. So, think budget friendly refresh templates like Wyndham's redesigned Super 8 concept, built to hold up better and be easier to maintain. Two, get smarter about quality monitoring. IHG, for example, is leaning into predictive analytics to catch problems before they show up in reviews. And three, launch new brands that can actually work at lower price points, like Hyatt Select or Hilton Spark and Marriott's new mid-scale pushes. So, what to watch? Well, this is a fight for trust. If mid market hotels don't feel reliably worth it, loyalty stops being a habit and starts being a gamble. Next up, the Super Bowl ads are expensive and travel brands are picking their spots. Skift reports that 30 Seconds is now running more than $8 million, dollars, and it's looking like a lighter year for travel advertisers. Expedia and United have already shown their ads, while Booking Holdings is sitting out, and Airbnb confirmed it won't run one. Expedia is going playful with Going Places with Ken, launching a year long partnership with Mattel. And yes, that is Ken, as in Barbie's Ken. United is using the moment to spotlight Starlink Wi Fi with regional market placements tied to where it's already installed, and Southwest is leaning into culture change comedy with an ad about assigned seating, basically saying, relax, the Hunger Games boarding era is now over. The real takeaway, this year's travel marketing vibe is less big splash and more strategic signal. Brand positioning, product proof, and a little pop culture glue. And finally, event planners are borrowing from festivals because attendees want experiences, not just background noise. Skift Meetings reports that the classic setup, where a band in the corner and a dance floor, isn't enough anymore. Gen Y and Gen Z especially want interactive entertainment that feels playful, social, and yes, very shareable. So instead of watching entertainment, people are in it. The examples are exactly what you'd expect from the festival world: digital caricature artists who project drawings live on a big screen, aerial performers on tall rigs, strolling magicians and mentalists working the room, and even robots, from bartenders to roaming photo op helpers. Add in graffiti artists making custom pieces on site, live painters capturing the event in real time, LED performers, soap bubble artists, and street style acts like extreme pogo performers. There's a lot going on. The bottom line, events are shifting from programming to moments. So if attendees don't feel surprised, delighted, or involved, they're honestly less likely to remember the event and a lot less likely to post about it. Well, that's it for the Skiff Daily Briefing for Thursday, February 5th. For more travel industry news and deeper reporting, head to skiff.com. And for more on the Skiff Daily Briefing and to subscribe, head to skiff.com/daily.